Changing your verification method on Wise can help you manage your account security and preferences. Follow these steps to update your verification method. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option. This is usually located in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select verification methods. In the account settings, look for a section related to security or verification methods. Click on this option to view your current verification settings. Step 4. Choose a new verification method. Review the available verification methods. Select the one you wish to change to, such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app, and follow the prompts to initiate the change. Step 5. Confirm your new verification method. After selecting your new method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your new verification method. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Always ensure that your account security settings are current to protect your information.